put the tie back in, and. Okay. So take the syncopations out, try it, put the syncopations back in. Should be a little easier. That's just the strategy for doing this. Hold on, I'm going to skip around a bit. Trying to get the rhythm stuff. 314, complex divisions of the beat, dividing the beat into 5 parts. These are all 5s. Anybody not copy this down?
No, I got it.
You got it? You do not.
When I had to play these, I just think in my head, when's the last Alita take? I just add in whatever I feel like doing. Like, what's going on?
All right. 1. I don't know if you've ever seen like this, a group with 7 or a group with 5. The 5s are not terribly difficult to do. When I was a high school band director, I had a band piece, and I kept seeing this group of 5, and I thought, oh, I'm going to be spending weeks on this. And I just demonstrated to the students, and then they played it correctly, and I never had to come back to it. It feels a little like you're rushing 4/16 notes. So you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Try that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Yeah. So to practice these, first you have to see how quick you're going here. 5, 6, 7. Wish I had a big, loud metric. Let's do the first half and then the second half. So first half, we can go a little faster. So now with this steady beat, now don't play it, just listen. 1, 1. Okay, then we go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. See what we're doing? We're trying to keep the same beat, but changing. The reason I want to do it in halves is if we go slow enough to get the end, we're going so slow it's hard to feel the triplet. So let me speed it. Okay, here we go. Now, do each one 4 times. So in other words, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4 times. And 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, go down. Now I'm going to slow it down a bit so we can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now try just the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, stop. 1 and 1 and that's 3 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Try that. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, stop. Now the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. It's like 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right. So usually the way you practice this is you try to get something clicking a steady beat, and you just a good way, believe it or not, the way I used to practice this is the parking lot at my college was a long way from the classroom. So I began to walk, and I go 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And I would just go from one to the other, and it helped. I was just walking at a steady pace. And trying. Now this one is special, the 7. You'll see this in music, and it's not too terribly difficult. Watch what happens. If I take a scale, let's take the C scale, and I have 7 notes in the space of a beat. The next note up would be the octave, right? So you will see this quite a bit. Like you've probably seen this in clarinet.
In Valdres, actually, there was lots of 7s.
Now, here's where, when you see this, and this can go at a fairly quick tempo, but here's what's happening. It's an ornament that's used to connect 2 octaves. So in other words, you have that C and a C an octave higher. So your beat. Now, when you put the 7 notes in between, so even at a fast tempo, in clarinet, for example, if you can play a scale quickly without thinking of it, you know, da 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 da, something like that, you're not really counting 7. What you're doing is emphasizing the first note and then the octave higher, and then you're putting, by habit, that scale in there evenly. Da 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 da, like that. So the group of 7, you don't really count, you feel it. You just race through your scale depending on the tempo. And you just try to get the notes even from one octave to the other. But once you understand that, you can't be counted. So anybody who cannot play, like if you're in the key of C, anyone who cannot play a C scale at will as fast as they want can't do this. Because you have to be good enough to let your habit take over. Like that. But 7s are actually pretty easy to do. And like I say, they're not counted. Although we're counting numbers up here, it's more of something that you feel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Da 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. I don't like this chapter because they start mixing them up too much. They make you go from 5 to 7 too quick. Normally, we take a while and do this exercise of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we would start doing these. But as odd as they look on this page, they're not quite as confusing as they would appear. I'm going to skip some more to cover all these rhythms.
We're also getting close to the 5-minute warning.
Okay. All right.
Well, we're almost to the end of the book. I'm almost finished.
Okay, page 327. Polyrhythms and polymeters. This is also 20th century. A polyrhythm, we've done this before. When we were doing the 2 against 3, that's a polyrhythm. It's different divisions of a beat against other divisions. I don't like this chapter either because they start you out with 5s. They should really start you with something like 3s and 4s to get it going. So, let's see. Can you two just go 1, not 2, right now? Just keep a beat. Just keep a beat. Let's stay. Not fast. Okay, now you two do add a tag. To be a 3.